Okay, let's look at number 4. We've got quadrilateral EFGH that is shown, and we have points A and B. Get this. And we have points A and B that are also shown on the same line as EF. And we're told that points A and B make up part of quadrilateral ABCD. And we're also told that ABCD is similar to quadrilateral EFGH. The question is, which of the following coordinates for CD could be the vertices for quadrilateral ABCD so that the two quadrilaterals are similar? So what we need to do is first realize let's treat ABCD and EFGH as our similarity statements. So that means the corresponding vertices are going to be in the same order, corresponding points. So we see that A corresponds, let's look at it this way, we see that A corresponds with E and B with F and so forth. When we look at EF and AB, they're written in opposite orders. Okay, so that means if we go EFGH, we would have to go ABCD if this quadrilateral was translated up. But that's not the case, so there's also a reflection or a rotation going on here. So we've got to plot our points to see what the proper orientation would be for this quadrilateral where it's similar. Okay. Notice the scale factor of dilation that creates these similarities is 1/3. Okay. For example, from F to E, if we just count our diagonals, through the corners here, we got 1, 2, 3, and for AB we have 1. Okay, so each side is reduced by 1/3. So we can use that to check our work. All the other sides should also be reduced by 1/3. So let's see, where do we go from here? So we want to see where points C and D should be that would give us a similar quadrilateral. So let's just plot the points. So starting with A, we've got 9, 4 for point C and 9, 3 for point D. Okay. This is not the proper order because if you notice BC, let's write this down here. So EFGH corresponds with A, B, C, D. Okay, so if BC on this quadrilateral is the shortest of the two horizontals. Over here, BC is the longest. Okay, see how ABCD corresponds with EFGH. So A is incorrect. When we look at answer choices B, we have C at 4, 4 and D at 4, 3. All right, CB corresponds with FG. FG is the longest horizontal, and so is CB, and then AD as well. And notice CD is vertical, and HG are vertical. Okay, so the proper answer choice is B.